Hey everyone, welcome back to the Dev Challenge. Today is day 25 and we're diving into the world of Lambda functions. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use a Lambda function to square a number in no time. Let's get started. First things first, what is a Lambda function? Simply put, a Lambda function is a small anonymous function defined with the Lambda keyword. It can have any number of arguments, but only one expression. It's super handy for quick tasks that don't require a full function definition. All right, let's look at the syntax. Here's a basic example. Square equal sign lambda xx asterisk asterisk 2. In this example is our lambda function. It takes one argument and returns squared. Notice how concise it is? That's the beauty of lambda functions. Now let's see it in action. Print square 5. When we run this code, it outputs. Simple and effective, right? But why use lambda functions? They're great for short throwaway functions that you don't want to define using. For example, you might use them with higher order functions like, or check this out, numbers equal sign 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squared, underscore numbers equal sign list, map, lambda xx asterisk asterisk 2 numbers, print squared numbers. Here applies the lambda function to each item in the list. The output, nice and clean. Another example is using lambda with even underscore numbers equals sign list, filter lambda xx% 2 equals sign 0 numbers, print even numbers. This filters out all the even numbers from the list. The result is, lastly, let's use lambda with points equal sign 1 2 3 1 5 minus 1, sorted underscore points equal sign sorted points, key equal sign lambda x1 print sorted points. Here we sort a list of tuples based on the second value. The sorted list is, and that's it. You've just learned how to use lambda functions to square a number and more. Try incorporating them into your own projects and see the power of concise code. Thanks for tuning into day 25 of the Dev Challenge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more coding tips. See you next time.